Welcome again, guys. Welcome again. My name is Jason, and let's say about the black car with the black details on it. So you can see so shining Ford, and this is the Ford GT, and this is the thing right now. You notice this car is so black, and this is the front details, and this is the cooler details on it over here. It was the same as this one. It features how it works. Press this one and then the revving sound, and then go. Still same as that. It's still the same because the details from the inside is from here. But let's just do it right now. Let's not waste time. Okay guys, so let's see the details right now. So this part right here, the headlights and the design here, there's black over here. The rims is so blackish whatever, so it has a orange design, but a lines, just line. So here comes the spoiler over here, this part, and the exhaust, and this part with the headlights, I mean tail lights. The down part, it has the details over here about something else, and then there's another Petrons, whatever, something like that. It's just getting the features. Although the features is like this. Today the features is still same. You have to remove this. It activates. So wow. Alright guys, the feature is still same. It's like that. So wait a second. Sorry to remove forgot to remove the white thing. Ready? You have to do like this. You have to do first the revving sound. The sound is still same. Ready? Okay, the sound's still same. Okay, let us see our car or not. Okay, these are the Ford GTs. The Ford GTs. Okay, so it has a great details right now with these two cars. Although it's like this, so you know something about this one, it's nicer. So I like these two cars over here. Because this part, although it's nice because they have the both same body car, so the colors are different than the other those things. So I know that because I want to explain something else. the Lamborghini Aventador S, but I'm about to bought it, but there's no need for that because I was so unsuccessful, guy. I was so unsuccessful getting the Lamborghini Aventador S because I had no budget. That's why I had no chance to buy. But it's okay. I think there's another Petron car coming